way to go see the Woodworking Junkie. About a month ago, he contacted me through email saying, "Hey man, I'm watching your videos. You got really awesome stuff. You're like the best woodworker I know." Yeah, he said I'm a really cool guy, and yeah, he invited me over to a shop. He said, "Let's meet up and do a project together." I said, "Yeah, man, let's do it." Well, no, he didn't really say that. He just said, "Hey man, since we live so close, how about we just get together and do a video together?" I'm like, "Yeah, why not?"
Use the GoPro. Oh, you're almost out of battery. Image stabilization.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Woodworking Junkie, not the real junkie. Today, I'm gonna steal Wes Hamstra's camera. It's mine now. Alright, so I've invited Wes over here on false pretenses. I'm gonna steal his camera. I noticed he has a nicer house than mine. I'm gonna take it. He can stay here. I'm gonna live there. Suck it.
Hey, I'm at the Woodworking Junkie's garage here.
Hi.
When I came here, I kind of expected Alan here that he would have a makeup artist, but he always looks like this. See what I mean? You can't trust this guy. He's a nutcase. This is what you do all day? Just sit here, drink beer,
Stuff. Screw around.
screw around, smoke cigarettes.
Lots of them.
I love your desktop picture. It's hilarious.
That's the first Photoshop I ever did. Still there.
That's hilarious. We just finished making this. It's a ping pong ball shooter. If you want to see how he made it, head over to his channel. Check him out. I mean, don't check him out. Check out his channel. Yeah, that's what I meant. Burgers. Woodworking Junkie's gonna be cooking me some supper. There I am on the Woodworking Junkies sticker board. If you want my stickers, send me yours. I'll send you mine. I'm gonna be headed out. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
It was awesome.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah.
Now I'm coming to your shop.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
Well, I'm just headed back now. It was awesome. We got lots done. Made me an awesome supper. Now I just gotta figure out how to get out of Stratford.